Get into the 2023 Nissan Kicks. Here's a tech-savvy Kicks that knows what you need to make travel fun. From its nimble handling to its roomy interior, trendy style, and touchscreen infotainment, this snazzy small SUV offers larger-than-life value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels. Get plenty of room without sacrificing efficiency in this good-looking Kicks. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.